Hi Blazers, it's been a while since my last upload. There are things in AmpleBlaze that we're going to do uploads, and we're going to bring new services in 2025. These services will be a better backup service and recovery service for you guys out there. That'll be one. We are looking into the best option for that service, and then when that's ready to roll, we'll bring that out and share that news with everyone. The reason for this video is last year for AmpleBlaze, it's been a hard year, and a lot of people know that AmpleBlaze IT is been a passion project for me. This has been a passion project in regards to it's helped me with improving my IT skills out there and giving the people out there affordable IT services. So a lot of IT services that you can see out there have been unaffordable, to be honest with you. So just the prices go up for no reason. People want simple IT services and understandable IT services. So I try to bring that IT service to the Blazers out there and keep it simple, as get rid of the IT jargon and all that kind of stuff. And if I don't know, a lot of people know that if I don't know, I won't do it. So if you come to me and wanting to use AmpleBlaze service, by all means, I'll hear you out. But if it's not within my skill set, I'll say I can't do it. I'll try to find you someone that can. And we can go from there, and you can always have me for other services. Now, the other aspect of what happened with AmpleBlaze last year, you might have seen with AmpleBlaze last year, we had a lot of I like to do movie reviews and TV show reviews, and you could see that I was putting that in our blog posts on our website at ampleblaze.com. Last year we were approached by some people. I had to get some legal services to assist, and we got out of it, which was good. But we will still upload reviews in regards to tech reviews, or our normal video uploads in regards to the video tutorials that we do for tech and things like that, and videos like this where you get kind of like a mini podcast from me talking about random stuff and things that occur around with me and AmpleBlaze and things that we bring. But I just wanted to sort of let you guys know that the movie reviews will not be going directly onto ampleblaze.com. They are now just basically on imdb.com. So if you want to follow me on that, I'll put a link at the bottom of this video, and you can follow my IMDB profile and watch the reviews there. But yes, a lot of those reviews are gone. Whether I can actually get those reviews back and put them onto IMDb, that's another thing. I'll have to look at a solution for that if you guys want those reviews on that. But yeah, so a lot of the reviews are on IMDb now, and slowly growing that one. And we will just continue ampleblaze.com with our video tutorials and our blogs in regards to the tech reviews and tech, all the technology stuff that you want to cover. Now, we are still here. We still have our normal services of what you can get assistance with us. Any troubleshooting that you've got with IT issues, we still offer Google Drive. If you want Google Drive cloud storage, we have affordable Google Drive storage for you guys. So just get in touch with us and just send an email to info@ampleblaze.com, and we can assist you there.